All right, all right, all right. Gentlemen, start your engine!
Brings up Jory Elliott, the goaltending coach. Lift the visor ambassador. I got to find out what that is. Dead on 4 for the win for Jory. He goes 008 dead 4 to put up a 12,000s package. 008 taking 005 running dead 4 for Elliott. Nice, nice, nice. If you could teach somebody that, you're a heck of a coach. Well, the lone blue oval still standing is the one that Jory's driving.
Low button. There's Factory Superstock K, right side. Jory Elliott. Factory Superstock K. Yes, he does. 15th out. Great drag race. Elliott gets it done.